research and checking and calling John Deere and et cetera, it is not that shock. So they were trying to point towards something on the transmission. So I went back on the Facebook groups and I went back and looked at my notes. And one guy said that the rubber mat gets tight for some reason. I don't know if it just shrinks over years or whatever it does, but so I checked mine and holy shit, it was sticking so bad I was picking the mat up. And I was going to fix my problem. I sure hope so. Let me flip this around here for you. I already did a couple cuts on it. But yeah, you can definitely see. Oh, wrong one. But look at it, watch the mat. Pick that mat right up. See it? Pick it right up. That's how bad it's sticking. So, I will get that trimmed out. Show you what I got when I'm done. Alright, I got a cut. Well, that didn't work so hot. Somehow I hit the button when I was recording. And it shut off. So anyways, I got the tractor back put together. As you can see, it's back in its corner over there. And it was the rubber, obviously touching up. It was the rubber rubbing on the forward pedal. Can't even think. You think this shit would get easier talking to a phone, but it don't. So anyways, that shock in the back is just that, a shock. It does not have any location. It doesn't help the return of the pedal to go neutral or reverse or forward. The only thing it does is stop the pedal from flying back. It's a shock. The spring is actually in the transmission. So anyways, that concludes that.